Hi, I'm Anthony,
Hi, I'm Iris.
and welcome to our garden.
And today we are in from the garden and we are in our Harvest to Table series. Today, Mediterranean cuisine meets Southern charm with our black eyed peas hummus. Okay, these are our black eyed peas. So last night we harvested our black eyed peas, cooked them and we ate them. And so these are some cooked leftover black eyed peas. And we drained them. And we're gonna take them. This is 2 cups. We're gonna take them. We're gonna put it in our little food processor. This is 2 cups of cooked black eyed peas. And they are drained. And then we're gonna take our 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which I may not use all of it. Okay, yeah, I use all of it. And then we're gonna take our 2 cloves of garlic that's been minced. And we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin. And because I have already seasoned my black eyed peas, we're gonna just use 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and then we can always add to later. Alright, we're gonna add a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna also add a tablespoon of some good olive oil. Alright, now blend it all together. Okay, now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of tahini. Ooh, nice. Okay, so now we've mixed our black eyed peas hummus together and we put it on our platter. And so the recipe that I'm using, you could use either paprika or you can give it a Mediterranean twist and use sumac. It's a nice Mediterranean flavor. So we put the sumac there. So let's do a taste. Y'all help yourself. I'm gonna finish this up. You definitely need to try this. This is very good. So in the comment sections, tell me if you tried it and if you like it. You can always do a little bit more cumin, a little bit more salt. It's all clearly up to you. You can do it to taste. But tell me how you like this recipe. And don't forget, you take care of the garden. The garden will take care of you. I'm not calling nobody in. This is all mine.
Come on, you gotta save some for all of us.
You gotta get your own. Here are our black eyed peas. Beans, the natural fruit. This is about the only thing that's thriving right now. So the question always would be when to pick. You want to make sure your pods are full, because they're better. If you can wait until they turn yellow, that's even better. I usually get them when they're full, right before they turn yellow. But when they turn yellow, it makes it easy to shell.